Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore customer success workflow with Totango Playbooks. To restore customer success workflow with Totango Playbooks, start by logging into your Totango account. Locate the dashboard to access your customer success metrics. Identify the specific workflows that require restoration. Review existing playbooks to understand their structure and scope. Select the playbook you wish to restore. Check for any outdated steps or elements that need updating. Collaborate with your team to gather feedback on the current playbook. Create a plan to incorporate necessary changes based on the feedback. Begin editing the playbook, ensuring each step reflects current best practices. Incorporate relevant customer data to tailor the workflow to specific needs. Add automated tasks where possible to enhance efficiency. Ensure that all team members are assigned appropriate roles for each step in the playbook. Test the updated playbook using a sample customer scenario. Monitor the effectiveness of the playbook during the test phase. Make adjustments based on the outcomes of the test. Once finalized, communicate the changes to your team. Provide training sessions to familiarize everyone with the updated workflow. Assign a champion within the team to oversee the implementation. Regularly review the playbook to ensure it remains relevant and effective. Encourage ongoing feedback from the team to continually improve the workflow. Document all changes for future reference and training purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.